All right. All right. All right. All right. Everything's working. Cool. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hope you guys are doing amazing. And Mark's looking nice. I've been working on a very nice video about time and price. I will share more about that later in this stream. And for today, where I want to go over, first of all, let me know in the chat, guys, if there's any questions, pairs you want me to go over. In the meantime, I will go over my game plan for today. It's an exciting day because with a winning trade, I will add $750,000 to the funding war chest. Pretty nice. And I think NASDAQ can do this. Today, I'm also looking at gold. I'll share my gold setup and also let me know in the chat if there are any other pairs you want me to go over. Cool. Okay, let's get to work. Yeah, mic's working. Awesome. Okay, let's serious. Glasses on. Now it's game time. Okay, for Nasdaq. Yesterday and Monday were super clean. 2K setup right here, and on Monday the short. I will go over those setups later, but I will probably take the exact same trade today on stream with you guys. The exact same thing. So what I then will look at is I think we can trade higher. I think we can trade towards the 4-hour bearish fair value gap. And that bearish fair value gap looks good. Also, the current 4-hour candle creates an order block. You see this down close candle that becomes an order block once we trade over it. What I don't like personally is this 4-hour bullish fair value gap that's still open. That's one thing I'm looking at, but the low hanging fruit target to trade for today is going to be TP here. So it's going to be this line right here. And we are open now. So let's see. And I want to see us trading back into here for the entry. So ideally, we're not going higher here at the open. If we go higher at the open, we need to adjust the game plan a bit. But ideally, we go lower. So let's see if that is happening. The drawn liquidity is, of course, 4-hour SIBI. Let's see what we do. Then on gold, there's a 4-hour and daily bullish fair value gap where we trade away from yesterday. And yesterday on stream with my students was already in a nice setup. Well, I think you guys see this, right? It is a daily bullish fair value gap, and then fair value gap 1, fair value gap 2, entry there, stop loss there, and you just sit and hold. Today was a 1-hour bullish fair value gap created. Also here, entry possibility for a second entry. And I took a trade on the 60. Cool. So if if Nasdaq now just decides to run immediately to the 4-hour CB, that sucks. That sucks. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to trade this because I think Nasdaq will go higher. Like I have a bullish bias on Nasdaq, so that probably means I need to wait a little bit longer, possibly closer to like 10, 10, 15 when there is bullish fair value gaps being created. Also, I'm gonna look for YM and ES to see if they have similar structure we can trade into. No, no. So we need to stick a little bit with Nasdaq, which is not nice because I want to I want to take this trade towards the highs. I need to be a little bit patient here. We don't have any news. We have news tomorrow. Go also over the YouTube video. The recording is still on here. Let me close this. There we go. Because if we're looking at the dollar, I think the dollar still can go higher. We are again in a range. I really like how we moved away from this daily bullish fair value gap right here. So higher price on the dollar, that means lower dollar pairs could be on. But also here, that I think we can visit the lows here, the Thursday and Friday low from last week. It could be nice. But I think personally the dollar pairs are not too nice right now. I'm more focused here on Nasdaq, focus on gold. I see in the chat, will I be looking at the S&P 500? So that means will I be looking at ES? I might. But for the indices in general, also here, like I like to take my entries when we retrace a bit. Like if we just push higher at the open, there's not much for me to do. Like I'm not a trader who just chases price. So I'll probably just wait a bit. And of course, that sucks because this is drawn liquidity, but that's good. We need to adjust it a little bit. So let's see what we do. Also, when we are inside here, so there's a little a technical issue with my stream. So I think I need to restart the stream because of that.